Today, I'm going to walk you through how to build, deploy, and orchestrate a complex automation solution from start to finish, all in one unified UiPath platform. In the past, you had to jump between different tools, data sources, and environments, but that's no longer the case. First, let's take a look at the finished solution. It brings together multiple automation types, robotic, API, and of course, agentic, all built in a single governed UiPath Studio environment. Everything shares the same context and resources, so there's no switching tools or juggling environments. The scenario is something you'd see in the real world, automating insurance claim intake. An email comes in and triggers an agent. The agent extracts the intent, pulls patient and coverage details through API automations, and then leverages RPA to insert the insurance claim into the system. Before we hit run, let's look at how this solution is structured. In Studio, your solution files can live locally on your machine or in cloud storage. With local storage support, I can open and edit projects right from my desktop, but still get the full building experience of Studio Web. You'll also see GitHub integration built right in, so I can work with branches, commits, and checkouts. Now let's go back to the automation. I'll start the process and switch over to Maestro, the UiPath orchestration layer that coordinates AI agents and automations, while making sure that you are in the loop. You can see the instance already running. Maestro gives me end-to-end orchestration, full traceability, runtime insights, and step-level control. The instance hits a failure on purpose, and this is where the new development and deployment model really helps. I jump back into Studio, fix the logic, commit the change, and push it. A GitHub action pipeline automatically runs UiPath CLI, repackages the solution, and deploys the updated version. Once it's deployed, Maestro picks up the new version right away. I select the failed instance and choose to upgrade to the new version and retry from the failed step. Maestro restarts exactly where it stopped using the same business data. Nothing is lost and there's no need to rerun the whole process. It just picks up and continues. And that's the full loop. Build in Studio, version and deploy with CI/CD, monitor and orchestrate in Maestro. This is how you build and deploy agentic automations, the unified way, the UiPath way.